So anyway people, it's been a long while and I'm here in a forest reserve. And this forest reserve has a lot of quartz. A lot of quartz indicates that there might be a lot of gold here. A lot of gold. I'm just wondering, all the trees here are pretty young. I would say probably at least 50 years old for that one. Looks like it might be a red gum. Beautiful. And if you have a look at all the other trees, they're all pretty small. So this actually is pretty poor soil. It doesn't have that many nutrients, and it's probably leached. That means a lot of the potassium, a lot of the probably not the copper. Copper is still here. Copper is still here. Probably a lot of the molybdenum, the zinc, and all that has been washed away, and it's gone down river. So, and also probably the soil is very thin, so probably only a few centimeters before you hit the rock. That's why there is a lot of quartz. See, here's some more quartz. Gold. So quartz occurs because it is silicon oxide. It dissolves in water, and then the water comes up and it precipitates. So the water is probably, yeah, and it's deposited as the water evaporates. That's how quartz is formed, and it also brings gold. And gold deposits also get deposited in the quartz, which is good. And generally in Australia, in Victoria, we have a thing called deep leads. It's where these get eroded by a river, and then the gold and quartz get deposited in a riverbed. Then a riverbed gets covered up by gravel and it's hidden. So that is a deep lead, and they're generally mined for gold and other minerals, and probably like copper and all that shit. Because it is heavier, it actually settles down at certain places, and a lot of the lighter nutrients actually are washed away, which is very interesting. So as you can see, look, got a lot of bark, Got this, looks like a type of fungi, come off a tree, and there's quite a lot on the ground. Beautiful. I need to look what that is. It actually looks like a little bit of coral, so I need to look what that is. So anyway, this is near Bendigo. Got a lot of Patagonia. So bushwalking. Bushwalking is a good thing to do when you're in Australia. When you're in Australia, go bushwalking. You can look at lots of animals, you can look at lots of things. I wouldn't actually hitchhike. Hitchhike's a bit dangerous. A lot of people be murdered hitchhiking. Oh, g'day love, get in my car. No, you'll be safe for about 10 hours, and then I'll kill you. Yeah. So that's backpack murders. A lot of other people been killed, and you just need to be careful. So always be careful of things around you. While there are not many large predators, there might be some dogs that could attack you. The thing I'd be worried about is other people, because you just don't know who you're going to run into. You don't know their state of mind. They might be the type of person going, g'day, yeah mate, yeah, I'm just here to kill you because I like killing people. Oh yeah. So they're the type of people you have to watch out for. Most people you run into will not be like that. They will be nice, and lots of wattle. So, but apart from that, beautiful. And also snakes, it's a bit cold. It's only about 8 degrees now, so snakes won't be a problem now. Although snakes can be around. Look at this tree. Look at that plant. Nice small forest there, as you can see. Beautiful. Fair dinkum, mate. This is a fair dinkum awesome place. So I hope that if you're not an English speaker, I hope you actually understand what I'm talking about, because, well, This is the process of learning a language. You need to understand what people are talking about. Anyway, so that will be the end of this video. 5 minutes is long enough. Just remember, if you come to Australia, if you go to any country, bushwalking is a good thing. Or hiking, or whatever you want to call it. And just make sure you don't get lost. There's not much in this forest anyway. So thank you for watching. Have an awesome day learning about Australia. Hooroo!